welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I just wanted to quickly jump on because I have just like a random little shopping haul, nothing big, but I really wanted to come because I found a really good buy, and of course I wanted to tell my family, so here we are. So I decided to stop by Target. My sis Chi made me buy it, okay? No, she was talking on her channel about a body wash, and I was like, I keep hearing about this body wash, but I don't know. Let me see what it do. And it's Notorium, okay? And you all might have this already, right? I'm like late to the game, but this is the Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. And I hope I got the right one. It looked like it was yellow on her channel. So I'm looking forward to really seeing what this do, if it do what it needs to be doing and done and do. But this... Honey, okay, let's just talk about it. This was $19.99. I mean, I appreciate it being a big, body wash. Hey, yeah. But honey, I'm expecting this to do some glorious work for $19.99 for a whole $20. And like if you don't know, maybe you don't know, but Tennessee, we got taxes, honey. Uncle Sam is here. I think he has a mansion here in Tennessee because our taxes are ridiculous. We got state taxes, city taxes, county tax, like we got taxes, okay? So yo, $19.99 be like almost $22, $23. Like, Those are from Tennessee, y'all know, tell the people, comment down below, tell them. So if you come in here to do some shopping, do your good shopping. Do your big one, okay? And then go back to the Pennsylvania where they don't have no tax. They do have taxes on stuff, but not on clothes. Okay, anyway, we're not talking about that. See, random thought. Anyway, my sis Chi talked about this body wash on her channel, so I'm really looking forward to seeing, how that does. And it has like dermatologist things on the back of there, so totally sold on there. But while I was in the body wash lands at the Target, Solitaire, we got a new one. It's called Golden Hour. Am I late to the game? Because I'm telling you, I have not been to Target. It smells a little peachy, but I have not been to Target in quite a while. So I saw this and I was like, oh, actually passion fruit. Oh, that's what it has in it. Okay, because I'm thinking it's peach, but it's passion fruit seed. Okay, well, either way, this really stood out. First of all, the gold bottle of it all. Let's get into that. The packaging is everything. And I love Solitaire. I love the body wash. Very good lather. And with this one having passion fruit, so definitely brings in the summertime. Summertime. It definitely brings in, right, the summertime and that vibe. So I'm excited. Have you all tried this? Let me know if you have. I have, again, experienced many of Solitaire's body washes, right? I have all different types. The orange one I tried, the blue one. I like the Centau vanilla, something like that. I don't even know what it is off the top of my head, but it's like the brown one. Love that. So I have tried plenty of them. That pink one, you can't smell that pink one. I forgot what that pink one's name is. I couldn't smell it. But this one, I'm excited. So I have to get back to you on my thoughts and how I feel about that. So, Target, and then, I picked up little deodorants and, my standard, if you all didn't know, if you're new, this is like my foundation. This cocoa butter Palmer's. This is my foundation on. I don't care what I'm wearing. I don't care if I'm doing another body cream. This is always going to be foundation for me, no matter what. Like, it definitely brings the moisture to me. I love it. It definitely does my skin really well. Yeah, it's just, I'm going to always have that, right? So I saw one. I was like, okay, let me pick it up. Because I just have to be stocked on it. I could use like 5 in a month, 4 in a month. Like, it can get there. But I stopped by Ross, okay? Wasn't planning on going into no Ross, checking out Ross, didn't care. But went by Ross, and I originally said, which is like, be careful what you speak of, because it might just be popping in your face, okay? So I have been loving this brand, and it is True Botanicals. And I just said to myself, I said, self, because this is the Pure Radiance Oil, okay? When I tell you, family, my skin loves this, okay? Love this oil. Like, one of the best oils I have. Like, I've tried Sephora oil. I've tried all different types of oils. This one, second to none. It makes my skin feel baby soft, okay? I love when I put this in my routine. I don't do this every day. I might do this like twice a week. I really should try to push on doing this 3 times a week, because I love, okay, I love this product so much, but it is expensive. I don't even remember, but it was in like the $50-$60. Like, it is expensive, but it is so good. Definitely worth it. Gives you, like, the smell of it is very spa-like. So if you like a good spa smell, you would enjoy this. Very good for your skin. When I tell you the things that it has done to my skin, like night and day. And I have, again, been getting really good compliments on my skin. This is a game changer, okay? And again, this is True Botanicals. I don't know. I'm sorry. So this is the name. I'm probably butchering it. Anyway, this is the Pure Radiance Oil, okay? And it looks like this, just so that you can, see. Y'all, I'm right here. So I use it. Like, seriously, I do use this. And then kind of just to let you know when I use this. But I do like the cleanser. I do my toner. I may do a serum. It just depends on how I feel, how my skin feels. But I'll do a toner. And then I will, if I don't do a serum, whichever one I do. Anyway, I go in with this, okay? And I double cleanse. So I double cleanse and do all of that. But I go in with this. I put drops here, and above, right? Massage it in really good. It feels so good. It feels like you're at a spa, okay? So good. But then I put my Fenty overnight cream, that one on there. I put that on there. Oh my gosh. I wake up, my skin is supple and beautiful and just, it's so good. So good, okay? So I would highly, like, look at my face, like, highly recommend this, for real. Like, again, it's a coin, but I would highly recommend it. So if you're looking to really, like, change how your skin develops, or what it's doing, and maybe the bumpiness, or just the, I don't know, like the dark spots like, this is amazing, okay? If you're looking for an oil, this is what you need, okay? All that to say, so I can stop repeating myself, I walked into Ross not checking for Ross at all, but I just recently said, I want some more True Botanicals. I want some more of this brand's products, right? I really want to experience some more, right? Ross, got them, okay? And at a good priciones, okay? So we have the retinoid. This is the vitamin A booster. Now, I don't even know. I don't know what this does, but it is the same brand. I don't know what this does, okay? I'm going to read it, and we're going to follow the instructions, because the one thing I do love about this brand, they got instructions on the bag. There might be a lot of brands that got instructions on the back. I read. You read? I'm reading, okay? Because I don't want to mess nothing up. I don't want to be my skin fall off my face into my hand. I don't want none of them problems. Do you want some of them problems? I don't want none of them problems. So I'm gonna read, you know. Anyway, this was $16.99. If you can see, original price is $55. I'm telling you. And again, I wasn't checking for this, nor do I even know what this really does. But when I saw the brand, I said, absolutely, because I trust this brand. Like, what this has done with my skin, I trust this brand totally. But, honey, I'm about to see what that do. And then it didn't stop there. It kept getting better. And nothing that I really, probably needed. But I got it anyway. So I also got this nourishing cleanser, and it has renew on here. Oh my goodness. So I was like, my mouth dropped. I was like, a cleanser? Oh, absolutely. I absolutely want that. And this is, yeah, you heard me. You heard what I said. This was $9.99. Yeah, you heard me. And originally this was $33. Yeah. So I was so excited. So if you have a Ross, I'll have to even go to some other Ross to see if they have more of this brand, right? And maybe I can find some other good finds and buys. Maybe I'll even stop by Marshall's to see if they have anything. Like, I am so excited, like, they even had this product. Like, yeah. So I'm going to be hunting me down some more Ross in the city to see if they have any more. But again, I trust this product so much, and I would highly recommend. Again, I purchased this directly on the site, and it is a coin, family. It's a coin, okay? Like I said, it's about 60, 70 some odd dollars just for this thing, But what it does, are you putting a price tag on your skin? I'm not. Like, I really wanted to really rejuvenate, really just highlight my skin more. Like, I have sensitive skin, and so my sensitive skin girlies, this is for you, okay? I break out very easily, okay? Or with a little tiny thing, I break out very easy. So my skin sensitive girlies out there in the lands, in the world, okay? This is gonna change your life. Yeah, I said it. It's gonna change your life. You wanted me to say it, I said it. Change your life. Okay. You said, just be honest, sis. Just change your life. Okay. Moving on. Well, that's all, family. Just a quick little show and tell, little haul that I wanted to come on and quickly show you all. But this was the key thing. If you are into facial care and you're looking for a great product, go to your nearest Ross and hook yourself up, okay? Find all of them. And if they don't have the Pure Radiance oil, if you don't mind spending a little coin on your facial care products and you're looking for a good oil, it's a really good oil. I promise you. For real. Well, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if any of this has helped you, and comment down below. I would love to get to know you, okay? And meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, yo sis just did. And let them know. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.